So, welcome to Rough Restos, formerly known as Jordan Jameson channel. As you may have noticed, anyone who's not new here, I've rebranded. For anyone who is new, welcome. So, as you can see, it's the two main projects featured on the channel, which is the 1984 Capri and my 1989 Mark II Golf. Now, I love old cars, easy to work on, much more character, just in general pretty and simple. But I don't like old engines. Well, I do, but they're just boring compared to slightly more modern old engines. Hence the Capri's upgrades. So we got the Capri with the 2.9 Boa, which is the 24 valve Cosworth engine, come in the Granada Scorpio, sort of around 1991, 1993 sort of area. Didn't come as pretty and didn't come with turbos. So, to make it more interesting, why not have turbos? It's got to be one way of making it more unreliable, and it's just add more crap to it, isn't it? So that's no idea on power yet. It's not got anywhere near a dyno. That's fine. We'll come to that one day. We're still ironing out little issues, snagging things. There's still plenty to go wrong before I can get on a dyno. So that's that one. Running Speedwino engine management, which we'll go into more detail as the videos go on for the channel. Do a bit of tuning on that. So that's the one unreliable money pit. More reliable money pit is the Mark II Golf with the VW 1.8 20 valve turbo, AGU variant with a KO3S turbo on it and a few other bits and bobs. And she's pushing out around the sort of 230 brake horsepower mark, so you'll see a few videos on that. I currently haven't done any videos on this one, so we've got a few to come for that. So yeah, as I've shown you previously, a second ago, there is potentially some more cars that are going to feature on the channel, like the Scirocco, also on the 20 valve turbo build, and the 76 Capri down there. So yeah, if you want to see more of what you've seen, then why not jump on some of the previous videos and stick around, subscribe for the next videos coming up. And until then, I'll see you then.